Hi, I'm Larry Chandonnet with Engage Machinery, and today we're going to talk about the RCS 48 recoiling system. We can use this recoiler with any type of slitting or cut to length device that you have. We can retrofit it because it's a separate unit, and it runs off a dancer arm right here, which goes by the speed of the coil that you're slitting or wanting to recoil. Some nice features of this machine is, first I'll talk about the front end here. It can do 5 slits of 20 gauge of recoiling. It comes with 5 separator rings here right in front. Then you also have another 5 right by the tensioner, and then you also have another 5 right by the mandrel of the recoiler. What's nice about these is it's very easy to change out and remove them and move them into position. Once you have your coil come through, you would feed it through and line up these so that they're guiding correctly. But very easy to access, all 3 of them. And the ones that you're not using, of course, you can flip out of the way. Now we're going to talk about the back end of the recoiling system. You have a pneumatic bladder right here that the coil comes through. Remember, you have 2 guiding arms in the front, and then of course you have guiding arms right here, the separator disc. This separator disc is by a counterweight. You can move it out of the way and lock it down, or when you're just setting up or taking a coil off, of course you can come down to start your slitting process and recoiling. These also move out of the way when you want to. The pneumatic bladder, of course, it's run by some gauges here that for 80 psi. It doesn't take a lot of air. The capacity of the recoiler is 11,000 pounds. You have a support arm here, and all you're going to do is loosen it, swing it away, and then we also have a coil cart that will fit right in here. Some people want the coil cart. I recommend it if you don't have a crane. If you're wanting to contract or expand, just take the lever and move it, and then you can expand and contract for the coil. You'll take a 20-inch coil, ID. What people like about the recoiling system is the ease of setup. What we also offer as an option that some people have taken advantage of if they get our whole slit to width, cut to length one, is a pendant mounted remote. It makes it nice because then it's a 1-person operation. You can get it with just the recoiler, but it will just run the recoiler. But if you get our power decoiler and our slitter and our recoiler, you can have a pendant that hooks right onto your belt, and one operator can manually feed everything into the machine and get it set. The access, we keep it wide right here so you can guide it easily. That's the hardest part, is getting your recoil set up quickly. We have 2 versions, one at 85 feet a minute and the other one at 115 feet a minute. This one is a 85 feet a minute. If you have any questions, please call Engage Machinery at 678-216-0340.